Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Today's review is on the Lego brand store. I saw this online and I really wanted to buy it. I thought I need a Lego store for my city and I liked the look of it. So it's got two levels here from what we can see, and it opens and closes. We get the pick a brick wall, which is my favourite part, and lots of Lego sets inside. So let's open up and take a look at what we get. There are a lot of stickers in this set, which is a little disappointing, but we have a Duplo here, Friends set, City Ninjago, and we've got a pick a brick and minifigure factory stickers there. Oh, another sticker sheet set, and this one's got safari ones and like little Lego mosaic there. Instruction booklet, nice clear instructions as always and pictures, and we get 4 numbered packets in this, and we get some spare plates here. Well, they're not spares, but they're just not in a packet. So let's build. Let's start with Mum in her coral pants. Love her little blue cardigan. She has 2 printed faces. We're going to show a big smile and a black ponytail hairpiece. Great printing as always. Alright, off you go Mum to the Lego store. Time to start the bottom floor of the new branded Lego store. I like that the flooring in this little shop is tiled, so it makes it feel like a little modular build. Well, I guess that's what it is, it's a tiny modular. Let's continue on. What I like about this particular Lego branded store set is that you can easily fit it in with your little creator sets that you might already have. Just a few modifications and you can all line them up nicely. So it's a good size for that, but obviously I will be rebuilding this to fit into my main street. Now are some detailed little builds to fit into the bottom floor. Let's pop these in now. They fit in nicely in here into this tiny little store. Now for some detailing at the front. This is a little sign with no sign that goes above the door. So it's like a little detailed architrave. And we have 2 little planter pots out the front. We have a little boy minifig here with his awesome green jacket. It's so detailed. He's only got the one face. He's smiling. You only need one face when you go to the Lego store. The smiley type. Great printing on the back with a little hoodie. Off you go for some shopping. Time to build a wall full of Lego sets, and we got lots of Friends sets, my favourite type. Oh, and the creator of course. And and the ideas, I love those too. So many great sets to get. The wall of sets goes behind that little cash register, and now lots of detailing to put at the front. This side here, there will be a jungle theme section, and it's where you can take a photo of being a giraffe or a tiger. It's actually so cute. I love this section. I like building the 1x1 bricks like this when I pop the tiles on, so then everything's nice and straight. Time to join this section to the main building. And we've got a wall full of stickers here, lots of different Lego elements. This part of the store is my favourite. In real life, the pick a brick wall. I just love standing there looking at all the different coloured bricks and pieces on offer and filling up that cup as much as I can. I shake it like a maraca to fit it all in. I need to join it now to the main building, and I will be building the pick a brick section now. Lots of different coloured studs here. Okay, the first floor is done. Time to start upstairs. Another wall here to display many more sets. We have Duplo, some city sets, I can see a train there, and we have Ninjago. So I need to turn it around now because they want me to put up this big picture on the side of the wall. It's like a Lego mosaic there. So that sits on the outside of the shop. This here will be a sign for the Lego shop, the Lego sign. I don't like that we only get one of those signs. I do like that we get some models included to build, and this is a little model train. I like the look of this. I might be building a few more of these for my kids' toys. This little built model I think is the big Lego Disney castle, which I still need to build my big version of it, but this version is so cute. Time to pop the little models in. They look so good here in the big windows. And I think this is the table building area, so you get lots of bricks in here. So you see I'm popping in the little bricks, and you can build whatever you like. But you can't take it home, you've got to leave it at the shop. This is meant to be a minifigure factory. I'm not sure, I've never seen one, but apparently you can print your own custom minifigs in some Lego stores. Another colourful mosaic sign here to pop on the wall outside, and minifigure factory. Alright, let's put all this together. Level 1 on here, and we need a ladder to go up the stairs. I feel they should have left this out. That is not necessary. I think that looks silly. But anyway, let's put Mum in and the little boy for some shopping. Time to close the sides, and the bottom floor looks like a little modular, and then you open it up to make it look like a larger store. My favourite part of visiting a Lego store is the pick a brick section. The little boy's picked out a friend's set that he wants his mum to buy. The little boy and my cat are pretending to be a giraffe and a tiger. Lots of excited customers for the grand opening of the new Lego brand store. The Lego brand store. I don't have a Lego store yet, so I really wanted to buy this one as I missed out on all the others previously. I do like that it looks wide when it's open. It looks alright from the front with all the big windows. When you close it, it looks a bit odd with just having half the floor on top. I wish they did it more of the true modular style. And the lack of a roof. I feel it needed a roof, but they're just some of my little niggly bits. And the fact that we had so many stickers. Oh, and another thing, there's no store employee. We needed a Lego shop person in there. But anyway, I like it. It's worth getting.